Hey y'all, this is Genevieve with All Projects Great and Small, and I'm here to show y'all how I clean my washer about every 6 months. Deep clean it because it gets really disgusting. So here's the easiest way that I found to do it. So first thing you want to do is you want to unplug your washer and shut off the water. I take a paper towel and clean out the bleach drawer. It's usually a lot of water still sitting in there, so soak it up with a paper towel. And I like to keep the paper towel in there. And then take a screwdriver or a scraper, you want to, if you have a strong enough one. And what you're going to do is you're going to find, there's 2 clips here and here. They're about 7 inches in from the edge. And what you're going to do is you're going to lift up, and you're going to find those clips, and you're going to push in. And if it's the first time that you've done this, it will probably be hard, but I like to mark where my clips are so I can keep on going back and forth to them. So you push in, right up. And it's going to be real loud when you do it. There's one. There we go. And so here are the 2 little clips. And then you're going to want to bring your top down and take some tape. And tape your lid closed. And you're just going to lift it up. So as you can see, it's really dirty right here. And now that the top is open, it's going to be much easier to clean that. So just take some soap and water and a towel. And I like to just wipe it down. Okay. So next step is going to be to take this part off, because as you can see, the tub rotates independently of that part. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take all of these screws out. There's one here, and all around. And have a small little container ready to put all your screws in, so you don't lose them. Okay, I just took all the screws out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this guy, and I'm going to take this off. And as you can see, it is pretty gross in there. Not too terrible, but terrible enough. For an extremely deep clean and sanitizing clean, I like to use my steamer. So I've already rinsed this off outside, and then I'm just going to steam this. It's a lot of like soap scum and mold. So while we have the top up, I'm going to go ahead and clean this because it's much easier with the top up than down. So with the steam cleaner, I'm going to hit it real good. So I'm going to hit it with steam again. And then get in there with a Q-tip. Get all that out. The steam cleaner is really great at getting soap scum off. I use it in my shower, in my bathrooms, and on my countertops, along with removing grease around my stove. So it's a really great investment. It's the Jiffy steamer. It's really for clothing, but I use it really mostly for cleaning. So once you open this up, you'll be able to clean this. If you've never cleaned it before, it's going to be really dirty. But you'll be able to get down in here and here. Now you'll have to go and take a toothpick to be able to get this part out. That's real nasty. This is from iron and manganese being in the water. It's just something that you can't help but just kind of scrape it out. So all we need to do is line it back up and reattach the screws. Actually, put it in with your hand first so you don't drop it into the cavity, because that would be terrible. I think I did it once and then I had to completely uninstall the tub. There we go. What you want to do is you're going to take the lid down and you're going to remove the tape. And then you're going to rest it on those brackets. Okay? And then it's going to be loud. So you're going to press down on it. And sometimes, there we go. There you go. All good. Well, that's it. You now have a clean washing machine. Be sure to plug it back in, turn your water back on, and run it through a tub clean cycle just to make sure it gets all the soap and whatnot out. And then you can go back to washing your clothes. I hope this really helped. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy.